All right, welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is May 26, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be May 27, 2021 in London. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil, give you guys some levels we're going to be looking at. For those who enjoy these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel, again, please go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you as a subscriber. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop into it. So for S&P 500, you can see we were in a slight range actually today. We had nice support coming right in at 41.82, and we had resistance again a little bit lower this time. We did have a main resistance at 42.0325, which we kind of came from, but we stalled a little bit, so right around these 41.98s, and then we couldn't press past that, came right back to support. And you can see right now, as of right now, we bounced off that level, and this is where we're looking for that pop back to the upside, at least right into these 96 to 98s, and then back up into those 42.0325s. Now, if we can pass that 42.0325, then we're going to be looking for the market to come up into these 42.1275s and then try to break that level. Now, if we just stall right at 42.1275, this is where we may look for maybe a double top here and a pull down. Even if we stall underneath here at these 42.03s, that may be the best opportunity too for us to try to pull it right back down to the middle and then to an exhaustive area right around that support at 41.82. So we'll kind of look out for that. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P, give you guys a little bit of closer view. So you can see nice round out move, couple of touches that we had, 1-2 here, nice bounce move there right off this support that we had, and you can see holding support very nicely for S&P. That would be a good opportunity for those who are looking for that long, but again, right in this middle area, first area for me is probably going to target those 95s. Then above that, you're going to be looking for 98 and then 42.03 as a main area of resistance. Again, we may be in this range for a little bit of time. So if we do go back bullish, we got to break through this area of 42.03, then hit off at that 42.1275 and break through. Maybe even use that as support and then get that continuation to the upside from there. So we'll see if we get those opportunities. If not, again, resistance 42.0325, 42.1275. Those will be areas that we potentially could get some short opportunities. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly for you guys. So go a couple levels here. Stalled a little bit earlier. We actually came down closer to about these 1890.4s. Popped right back up, started holding support right off these 1893.2s, and this is where we're trying to push back to the upside. But right now, 96.2 being a level of resistance, I think we may end up getting above that, but kind of got to be a little bit patient. If not, we may try to retest this bottom side of 90.4 and then maybe even below that 85.6 as a level of support below that area. Now, if we do break those 1896.2s, that's where we're going to be looking for the market to head right back up into these 1900.8s and then maybe get some resistance here for a potential pull down right back into this area. If we break those 1900s, going to be looking for 1904.5 as the next level of resistance up above, and then you can see above that 1908.3 as another level. So again, supports underneath 1890.4, 1885.6, and below that 1877 even that we're going to have right at the bottom there. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on gold for you all so that way you can see closer view. So you can see gold slightly holding a little bit above that, but again, this is probably an area that I'm going to more than likely stay away. I'd like to see a clean bounce, maybe a push and then a pullback and then a nice bounce from there and continuation up. If not, sinking underneath this price level may end up happening and then a pull down deeper from there into our next levels of support. So again, just be cautious when you're trying to trade this. May bounce from here and go up, but may also be underneath and go down. So a little bit tricky on this one. If you're not too confident in trading it, wait till it gets to more exhaustive areas and then look to try to trade it from there. Let's take a look at oil, give you guys an idea of what we're looking at on oil. So for oil, did go into a bit of a range. We had a nice support there at 65.34. We've touched that area 1, 2, 3 times and shot right back up. Nice little bit of a double top we had here as it's pulling down deeper. Want to wait till this market actually gets down into our support again right here at these 65.34s and see if we get that support here for a move right back to the middle and then a continuation up into our resistance there. May stay in a bit of a range, so you just want to play this cautiously. If we do stay in this range, you got that support 65.34, that resistance 66.22. Now underneath 65.34, 64.91, and then 64.20 as the next levels of support. So do want to keep in mind those areas. If we get down below into that, that's going to be a good bounce here that may shoot price back up. And even here, if we get that support right here at these 64.91s, maybe an opportunity for the market to try to move up with support from there. So again, I'd wait patiently for this market to try to come down deeper right into these 65.34s and see if we can get that support from there. I like that idea better. Did double top right off that top level, so we should see the market try to pull down into that area of support here on oil. If not, you can look out for that resistance right back here at these 66.22s. Get that rejection and try to pull it down from there. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on oil for you guys too. So again, for oil, you can see what's happening here. I do like this pull down, maybe a nice opportunity to get a minor level rejection here, somewhere around this area here. Get that rejection here and then continue it down to a main level of support right here at these 65.34s. If we just break right through that level, next level down, 64.91, maybe get a bounce from there and try to pull it right back up. Now, if price does not break this area on the pullback, then you may look for a continuational move to try to extend into those 64.20s. Now resistance above 66.22 and then above that 66.52. You want to see a continued move up. May want to see a bounce on top 66.52 and a continuation from there. So a couple different opportunities we could have on S&P, gold, and also oil, but that covers it for all those areas, for those charts there. Hopefully you guys like these videos. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel again, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys have, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. If you guys are still inconsistent in trading, again, love to have you guys part of Pure Structure Trading. Love to be coaching you guys. Again, if you guys have any questions or you want to kind of go deep dive into what we look for, why we understand structure the way we do, or look at structure the way we do, again, feel free to take some coaching courses with us. Get in touch with us by just emailing us or also asking the questions here on YouTube, and then we'll respond to you guys. Other than that, guys, for those who are part of Pure Structure Trading, I will see you guys in the London session. For those that are not, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys take care. Have a great night.